In our last episode, we spent 3 days on the tiny Grenadine Island of Mayreau, where just 300 people reside. We spent hours on one of the most beautiful and pristine beaches we've ever seen.
One of the top 3 beaches I've ever been to in my life is Salt Whistle Bay. It is beautiful.
We toured the beautiful Tobago Cays, where we had entire islands and beaches all to ourselves, and swam in the most beautiful waters ever. We found the cutest, tiniest church, and we witnessed a magical sunrise over the Tobago Cays. It was beautiful. And now, after a 20-minute ferry ride to Union Island, we found this little treasure. Good morning, rise and shine. Today we are island hopping.
Yeah, today we're going throughout the Grenadines to visit 3 more islands. I have no idea what the names are, but I do know that it's a small sandy island with an umbrella on it, where I'm looking forward to spending a whole lot of time today.
That sounds good. I can't wait.
Yeah, I say we get going.
Life, it can pass you by. It can be your road, a road once traveling life. It can weigh you down. It can be a start, a new beginning. Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say. You know.
We are at Mopion. Oh my! I want to stay here for the rest of the day.
I
This
know.
is gorgeous.
It's a sandbank in the middle of nowhere with nice white sandy beaches all around, with an umbrella in the middle. In the middle of nowhere! Look at this.
I am going to enjoy this, and I haven't yet even entered the water.
I know, the water's crystal clear here, guys. Beautiful.
We're gonna have to spend some time here. This is beautiful.
We'll be here for an hour or so.
This is
Guaranteed.
gorgeous. I love it. Let's go. Let's do this.
Life, it can feel on hold. It can feel like miles stretched before you. Life, it can be your dance. It can be your song. A song worth singing. Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say. You know.
Welcome to paradise.
It truly is.
Oh,
it has exceeded my
man.
expectations.
This thing is mind-blowing. You could run around this in like 30 seconds, walk across it in like 5 seconds, but it is gorgeous.
I'm speechless. I
Oh
mean,
my gosh.
this is by far my favorite.
It is mine too. It is mine too.
Lunchtime.
Best day ever, man. This is crazy.
I am totally
Uh,
still loving this.
I can't get enough of this. I can actually sleep here tonight.
I know, but I'm scared. What about the tide?
Well,
Wash us away.
so our Captain Clem explained to us that there are times you come and the tide comes in and shifts the sand around. So this island is shaped differently every day. And sometimes the umbrella where we're sitting is underwater.
Can you imagine that?
Right, and then the peak is at another location. But for the most part, the umbrella stays pretty much on land. But there are times when it's not. So
Right.
I can stay here the entire day.
All right, so it's time for another swim.
Let's do this.
Put your hand in mine. We're in this together, in this together. Put your hand in mine. We're in this together, in this together.
We're heading back home.
It's time to go. It's time to go. We visited 3 islands. Well, the third was a drive-by. That was Palm Island. We actually visited Petit St. Vincent, and we spent most of our time on
Mopion Island.
Mopion Island. That's my favorite.
I love you, Mopion.
And we had it all to ourselves.
We sure did.
I think we spent about 3 hours there. That was, man, that was paradise. Yeah, that was beautiful. But now it's time to go, so we'll see you guys back on Union. Alright, changing plans. Not going back just yet.
No.
We have to stop by Happy Island for a drink.
So good when we get together. Everything's so nice, like super great, so great, so great, yeah, yeah. We could stay here forever. Check out of time, forever and a day. We've got a good thing going on. What more could we want?
That's when it starts. And like with the local, we say, I wonder what the crazy ass is doing, eh? Oh, what is crazy guy is doing? And then he climb up the ladder.
This is Happy Island. Oh, wow. This is the evolution of Happy Island. Look at this. Oh, no way.
That is way too cool.
This is Jaunty.
Proprietor
There you go.
And
Of
I'm
Happy
here.
Island.
saying hi. Come along.
Now, this guy actually built Happy Island from nothing. It was a sandbank with some conch shells.
Come, Charles.
And let me tell you, within a matter of how many years?
18 years.
18 years. We went from a sandbank to this beautiful bar restaurant in the middle of the ocean. So,
Come check it out.
Come check it out. I guarantee you will be happy.
Lots of friendly faces. And don't forget that old spell rum punch.
Pouring the sun, staring the stars, singing the songs in our heads. Everyone, whoever you are, and what do you get? We've got a good thing going on.
alright guys, we have freshened up. We're feeling great. We're gonna go into the town of Clifton, which is like the capital of Union Island, and hopefully get some food.
Not hopefully, we're gonna go get some food and just walk around the town and hang out.
Yeah.
So sweet, so sweet, so sweet, like a cherry soda. Bubbles dance on her lazy lips. So sway, like a dashboard low good, 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 good thing going on.
Good morning.
What's up, guys?
I'm super excited because we're gonna head to the beach in a few minutes, and you can actually see the beach from up here, and it looks
wonderful.
lovely. I can't wait. The water looks so calm. Again, and clear from up here, right? So
Yeah,
it's like
it
no
does.
waves.
It does. We decided to go early because I think it's supposed to rain later, and before it becomes a wash, we're gonna go down and have a swim.
And enjoy. It's been what, 2 days since we've enjoyed the beach?
It's been 2 days, guys. It's been 2 days. You know, yesterday was a wash. It stormed through here like crazy. So we pretty much stayed in and did some work, but now
Fun time.
time for some fun. So let's
Do
go!
this.
Shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes, you know.
All right, we have arrived at Sparrows Bay, and it is gorgeous down here.
It truly is. There's also a restaurant here, which I am in love with because everything is pink. The chairs, the
Yeah,
flowers. I'm in heaven.
I'm loving the beach. The sand is it's like a golden brown. The water's calm, it's turquoise, it's crystal clear. Hey,
Sounds like my kind of beach.
You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say, you know. Oh, shine a light, don't shy away. You've got more than it takes, you know. You know. Shine a light, don't hide away. You are more than you say, you know. Put your hand in mine. We're in this together, in this together.
Thanks for island hopping with us. If you are enjoying our content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when the next video is up.